Hi there, students. To drain, a verb. A drain as a noun. Okay, to drain means to remove the liquid from something. So, for example, when you cook spaghetti, when it's ready, you need to drain it. You need to drain the water. Yeah, you need to remove the liquid from it. Yeah, so you can do that by filtering it or slowly letting it pour away. They drained the lake to fix some problems in the bottom of it. Okay, if there's any liquid left, you need to drain it off. Or when you're drying the dishes, there's no need to use a cloth. Just put them on the drainer and the liquid will slowly drip away. So to remove the liquid, either to pour it away or to allow it to flow away. Notice you could drain your glass or drain your cup. So it's time to go home. Please would everybody drain their glass, drink all of something. He drained the bowl of soup very rapidly. Okay, so notice, to drain here, to empty something of liquid, but here a glass or a cup, or in this, my example was a bowl. Okay, there are deep channels to drain the area so that it's not so boggy and waterlogged. You can also use to drain, talking about something that makes you very tired. It causes something to reduce. So running a marathon is a very draining race. I was completely drained after 9 hours of classes in a row. The long journey drained me completely. So to drain of energy. But you can also use to drain, meaning to reduce. So he was out of work for a period, and this seriously drained his bank account, or it drained his savings. Yeah, it took them away. The brain drain. This is a really good collocation. This is people who are very intelligent in a country and they emigrate, they go somewhere else because they can get much higher salaries in another country. So all the intelligent people leave the country. The brain drain. Okay, a drain is also this pipe that carries away waste water. So when you flush the toilet, it goes down the drain. It goes into the drainage system, drainage. If the drain is blocked, you're going to have a flood. Yeah? Have you ever dropped your keys in a drain, this mesh thing on the side of the road, and then tried to fish them out? So the drains, the system of water pipes that carries away waste matter and waste water. Or if you have a sink or a basin, the hole at the bottom is the drain or the plug hole. The water drains through the plug hole. It goes into the drain. It goes down the drain. You can put a plug in the plug hole and it drains. Okay, so to drain, lots and lots of things. Something that uses your money, your energy, your time. Yeah. So yeah, a big mortgage is a real drain on your finances. So a lot of meanings, but they're all pretty similar and pretty easy to understand. Okay, so to drain, to draw off liquid. They drained all of the water out of the pool. The demographic time bomb is becoming a drain on the wealth of the region. It's slowly causing it to disappear. I feel emotionally drained after listening to that story. Yeah, to exhaust both physically and emotionally. To make dry gradually. So they drained the fens. The fens are an area of eastern England which were all very boggy. Um, the water from this river drains into a big lake. Yeah, carry away surface water. It goes into this area to drain your beer. He drained it in one big swig. Okay, so to drain, to flow off, to dwindle, to decrease slowly. So he was very nervous, but slowly his nervousness drained away. I watched the bathtub drain. The water drained from the sink. The Thames drains into the sea. He drained his cup of coffee. I'm totally drained of energy. His enthusiasm was draining. This was very draining on his enthusiasm. Yeah, the brain drain, the drain of young talent by emigration, going to another country. These constant interruptions are a drain on my patience. The colour drained away from his face. Yeah, it gradually left his face. Okay, so to drain. Regular verb, it drained. It's very often with away as well. And it has drained away. 5 informality, use it absolutely anyway. It's a great word to use. And then as to origin comes from Proto-Germanic, draumona, to strain or to sieve. Draugiz, dry and parched. Okay, so yeah, it's got an old origin as well, but we're all worried about where water goes. Okay, so to drain. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Drain.